This example is going to use note 111, property number 3, to estimate the integral from x equals 0 to 2 of 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. The first thing we're going to notice is that the function f of x in this problem is 1 over 1 plus x squared. It is what we call not an increasing function. It's actually called a decreasing function, and I'm going to have to fix that. It's a little messy right now. This is a decreasing function. Decreasing. D-E-C-R-S apostrophe G. The picture is going down as the x values move out to the right. The graph is moving down. And you can see why that's true. It's true because the denominator keeps getting bigger and bigger, which makes the number smaller. Thus, the function evaluated at the largest x value will equal little m, the minimum value, the minimum y value. And then the function evaluated at the smallest x value will give you capital M, the maximum y value. So let capital M equal your absolute maximum value, the highest point on the graph, of 1 over 1 plus x squared on the interval from 0 to 2. That implies that capital F is equal to the function evaluated at the smallest x value, since it's a decreasing function. In other words, it's f of 0. Let's evaluate the function for x equals 0. We get 1 over 1 plus 0 squared, which is 1. Now let lowercase m equal the absolute minimum of this function 1 over 1 plus x squared on the interval, the x interval from 0 to 2. That implies that little m would be equal to the function evaluated at the largest value of x on the interval, which is 2. So f evaluated at 2 is 1 over 1 plus 2 squared, plus equals 1 over 1 plus 4, which is 1/5. Now read property 3 in note 111. It says that the minimum value m, little m, times the x final minus x initial is less than or equal to the integral, is less than or equal to the maximum, the absolute maximum value, capital M, times the x final minus x initial. Let's apply that here, because our interval AB goes from 0 to 2. So that implies little m, which we found to be equal to 1/5, times b minus a would be 2 minus 0, is less than or equal to our definite integral, is less than or equal to the capital M value, which we found to be 1, times b minus a, 2 minus 0. So what we found is that 2/5 is less than or equal to our integral, is less than or equal to 2. So they had asked us to find an estimate of the integral. Here's an estimate. The value of this integral lies between 2/5 and 2.